might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Somebody told me I should hit and run.
Yeah.
But they don't.
A couple minutes.
They don't know. They don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
So yes, peeps, it's another day with a man all fire 777. Like L.A. Lewis would have said. Yeah, Jamaicans are the best peeps. Yeah, so you know they're in a Grand Cayman. And the sun is sunning. I thought it was me alone who used that slang, but me did my hunger with it for night time. The other day me here. So the sun is sunning. Yeah man, the sun has sun today. Yeah, if you look, we have blue skies today. We got blue skies. So we expect to get a good day. And I'm feeling good today to be alive. So we have to give God all the praise, you know. Yeah! So if you don't subscribe to his channel yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe now. Subscribe! Yeah, one fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Woo! Yeah. Seriously, something you have to cheer up yourself, you know. Nobody will cheer you up. Nobody will cheer you up. Once you get up in the morning and you have life, you are breathing, you know, you're not feeling no pain, you know, and you have food to eat, you have to give thanks. You have to give thanks to the Most High. Yeah. You gotta give thanks to the Most High, peeps. Yeah. So big up all hard-working people, all no hard-working subscriber all over the world. Big up on yourself. Enough love and respect. But keep supporting the movement and supporting the channel. I appreciate love that. Yeah. Not appreciate, I appreciate love that. Yeah. Nothing else could have go above that. So I'm up on my way. I'll get some water on the bus here. And tank. Because I'm typically run out of water. Yes, now I'll get some water. In my town. So I'm just stick and stay. I can see what I'm going through the course of the day. Yeah. Maybe I do a cook up later. Because I have some. Before they when I see me cook fish. So I have some conch. I get some conch the other day. So I cook some conch and white rice, but more like a curry conch. Yeah, more like curry conch. You know, conch good for you, good for man. Yeah, good for all the way overall. Because you have a lot of nutritional benefits. So we are going to use it. Yeah. So just stick and stay for that one there. Yeah, I don't know if this video is going to be too long, because if the video is going to be too long, I'm going to put it in this. Yeah, so if it's not too long, then we'll do it like that. Just one video, so stick and stay, as I say. It's the 3rd of September. Yeah, I'm going to give you a video every day. Every day. That is it. So stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. What me say? No go nowhere. We never on way I got Georgetown. Look at that. Yes, beautiful Caribbean. Beautiful water. Alright, over still water over there, so mainly then dig mall from over there. So day by day get deeper. Yeah, but the water pretty same way. And Grand Cayman is a beautiful island. So welcome to Grand Cayman. Yes, where you got good roads, where there is no patrol, where you can shut here and drive. No, not shut here and drive. Just kidding. Don't try that. Nowhere at all. I wouldn't advise you to do that. That would be crazy. Insane. Irresponsible. Call what it is. Grand Cayman. Where Jamaicans love markets just like when they love it in Jamaica. So see a white market so pass saying no, it must be a Jamaican drive it. Yeah. Why is it gotta be a Jamaican? Because Jamaican love markets. Whatever trending in Jamaica, Jamaican gonna wanna have it here. So anyway, we're up on the road, we're up on the highway and the byways, heading to Georgetown. Yes, not Georgiatown, but Georgetown. So that is what it says, Georgetown. So we're heading to Georgetown. Yes, peeps. We're heading to Georgetown! Woo! Yes, as we say, peeps, it's a sunny day. I get up early this morning, I go up on the road and go back home. We look out for breakfast because breakfast is very important. So I'm going to look out for my breakfast and heading back on the road after 11, going to 12. Yes, peeps, I like to get up early in the morning and work early in the morning before the sun come up. Oh, only for old lady I drive the car. Some of them can't manage the road now. They retire and come here and then can't manage. Yeah, only for old lady. So yes, peeps, so we're up on the road. So as I say, let's see what will happen this morning. So, dip on my way, so stick and stay. I don't know where. One fire, all fire. So yes, peeps, it was a good day so far. Sun was very hot and I survived it. Yeah. And I'm going home now. I'm tired and very hungered. Not hungry, no, hungered. Yeah. And instead of hungry one is a hungry one, and a hungry one hurts someone. But I'm not that hungry to be hungry. I just need some food. I need me some food. So I'm going home now. I have some conch in the fridge, frozen. So I'm going to put it out quick and fast. And I'm going to cook some curry conch with some white rice. And I match it up fast. Just stop by the supermarket and get some lotion, but never buy no juice. We need a juice, but can't buy the supermarket juice. None of them not healthy. They're full of sugar. Sugar like crazy. So probably just make some lemonade. Some real Jamaican lemonade. Yeah. So I'm on my way to West Bay. Yeah, you know, it's like evening, so everybody heading home. Yeah, everybody heading home, so you know. Yeah. So see, after 4 now and the sun still almost to 5, 30 minutes to 5, but it's hot. The sun hot same way. Can't wait for winter. Now a lot of you in America and Canada and England I like winter, but I love winter in the Caribbean. The time get cooler. And it's easier to work in winter, you know. But peace my belly button feel away, my hungry body. And I ain't got nothing to snack on before I cook some. I just cook fast, quick and fast. So I see how quick we can do this. Oh, I have to get one big bottle of water. So I will stop and get one. So yes, babes. So, as I say, on my way home, I'm going to cook some food. Quick and fast, no itching. So just stick and stay. Let's cook some curry conch. Yeah. And some white rice. So just stay tuned for that one there. One fire, holy fire. Some home now. Yes. Holy for dongo fall there. Oh, it's a pity me not eat them. Come with a whole of meat in my fridge. There. Real dongo fall. New peeps, I go put my conch to tower now. Yeah, up there, Steve. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. You know up there?
Eh?
Pass in front of them up there. Still a vehicle up
I
there.
called him, but then underneath the call, you see one call,
Yeah.
but you keep calling, make him know that this thing is sanitary.
Yeah, yeah.
The more people call, the pressure, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You've been on rep, and you need that whole stuff done the right way.
True, true.
Imagine that, you cooking all this whole group on you, yeah?
That's true. So yes, peeps, just come in, the Steve just tell me I take a thing, so. Yeah, as I say, I go tower out my count now and cook some food. Because I'm extremely hungry, so I can get one jelly to drink. Peeps, I'm so hungry, my head hurts. And the jelly then already. I can get one. Jelly ready, you know, peeps? I can't get jelly. I mean, I don't want nobody know, peeps. Because if they know, them are going to raid the tree. But yes, they're big enough. They are big enough to eat. They are big enough to drink, peeps. Yeah, so that tree they run us up. Yeah, everybody can raid that one, but I want to run us up. One of my one. Anyway, peeps, they can stay. So yes, peeps, just reach home, as we say. And conch. Another bag, yeah? Well, roasted. Pull it out, that's all okay. I want it out now, because it's tough, please. Really tough. We'll pull it out fast enough because I'm hungry. We'll pull it out fast. I cannot even clean up stuff. No, it's tough as a shame. Tough. Fill up the bag of water. Come down my container big enough, so if I can put in a container now go hold enough water. So I use the bag, full bag of water. And the water here kind of warm. You can feel it heat because it came on for us. I waited late in the night before water get real cold. Water is kind of warm. Yeah, so we'll pull it out quick. So I'm going to put up the seasoning so and put on the rice. Yeah. We can't see it. I don't know. I'm going to put up the whole kitchen. And this. This is how it goes. You know. Yeah, Steve, so as I said, I get the season, I'm going to be season now. I'm going to wait. So yes, peeps, cut up some season now. I'm gonna cut me up some season now. Yeah. So I have a noodle, I have curry, I have some escallion, and I have garlic. That's it. So the garlic and everything now. I'm gonna put the garlic and I'm putting it on one side. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put everything with the seasoning because I can't tell what it. I'm gonna put everything put on. And I'm gonna cook the rice. So. Hopefully by the time I'm done this, it comes down to out. It becomes very tough still. Quick cooking my teeth, so I'm hungry. One time I eat eat for morning. I leave at 6. I eat breakfast and I eat no lunch. Yeah, most of the majority of the time I skip lunch. Yeah, I skip lunch. I'm not feed 3 meals a day, please. I don't want to get too big. So I skip lunch. Hey, so tell me, Shannon, comment and tell me, Shannon, you skip lunch almost every day. I skip lunch almost every single day. Almost every single day.
Well, stepping up, man.
Yes, Steve, I'm chef up.
You got me all that, or?
Eh? Oh, so I'm calling. Yeah, I'm calling. I've been done.
Man, you got what's it that in there?
Yeah, I've been done my calling. I'm afraid to call him. I'm not squat. I ain't squatting. Yeah. So where that come from? Where that coming from? Oh, because I thought those was waste, just water, something burst. A lie. Let's see what tell me a thing here. I'll go on.
They got them shit from that kind of forward service. So
Oh.
you need a comfort for that shit. All that thing.
Oh, so you need to go on from what this one?
Yeah, you shit over it.
Yeah. You call Jack? Huh? You call Jack?
Me call Jack?
Yeah.
Both.
Oh, that waste that you see there?
Where that come from?
It's coming out from the toilet.
The toilet. I said, what happened?
Let's have it upstairs or in this one.
Happened to go out and the pool is full up. It's so, see, I brought the pipe, the water started all over. So,
Yeah.
you see what
So
happened?
you say that is somewhere that's so full.
Yeah,
So you're not calling for
I called Marie for that, but you need to call him over. Me want to call him, but you see, a couple of people call him, they'll press him, tell him this thing is coming out here.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Let's talk about
The
calling.
more people call him, the
Yeah.
more he
I'll move the car, Jack.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
call
when
him.
don't I ask?
Up on
Yeah,
here.
call him. Make him know what I'm telling him. This thing is the pool is full of this
So
thing.
like this smell stink from a day I smell this up.
But you know, I believe that waste water does waste.
Eh?
I thought it was just waste, but Steve know about anything that's a Steve knows that.
You
I know
can
waste.
look at the color that water does waste.
Yeah.
You see what happens when the sets on the ground.
Yeah.
So see when the cesspool full, the water come up and it overflow,
Yeah.
but it will come out to the bottom because
Oh.
the toilet bag you can have a good
Like
pattern
a
in it.
seal. Yeah.
By the seal, by the long.
Yeah, the seal properly, yeah.
But you see, if that comes
So
over,
there's something that will come down to suck up that, like what are the cesspool.
Yeah, yeah.
just call it and tell them this thing is, the cesspool is full and this shit is coming out of people's toilet and then into our place.
Yeah.
And then you call them. And anybody else they call? Don't make them believe that anybody, no, you just keep calling. Don't tell them, say, let me call him, but you see you call him. If you call him, then you see the truck coming probably in a couple of minutes.
You say about cooking that.
It's time to probably pay our rent, you know.
Yeah, when he's squatting.
That man got, they roll over one up and then they leave you guys. Like this kind of stuff. I bet his toilet not run over.
No?
Call him from my class.
I want to call him Baba Clark.
Steve, easy. You know, because I'm still looking.
Yeah, good evening. You there home, sir? Okay, I would like you to come and take a look at what I'm going because there's something the pool, the cesspool full in on it and met. Okay. Okay. If anyone on the right hand side?
No, it's in the doorway, coming from the front room.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah man, right now, in a part of the front part of the front door and so where you kept it mess up right now. Inside the house.
Tell me they're done now for that.
Okay. Yeah. Alright.
Go in the morning. They got kind of clothes, shit trucks.
Yeah. Yes, peeps, we got a little issue here. Sanitary problem.
You can't use that gas and that stuff to that, you know?
Yeah.
Then you're cooking and all this, but last time they feel they could be sick too.
Yeah, can't afford to come and came and let by Jamaica sick. Cancer and them shit, man. Yes, peeps, I put some pumpkin in there too. Yes. So when you hear all the shenanigans, as I'm around, that's it. All the shenanigans going on in my village. When you hear all the shenanigans are going on in my apartment, peeps. You hear?
But you see that pipe down there?
Yeah.
That pipe you see you got sit down, that's supposed to be a deep well. That's not a deep well there. That's a fake.
You feel?
Because see a deep well, what the deep well does, when it starts too full, then the water drains down in the deep well so it would overflow.
Yeah, because I mean that break off easily.
Look at me got that stuff down just to food people.
Oh.
Because at deep well, the water goes down it, then it wouldn't come up.
Yeah,
you see?
yeah.
When it comes to that certain level,
So
but
that's just bull.
if you go look around that pipe, you know, all around is full of water.
Yeah.
So that's a fake. So you can pull that pipe out of the ground.
Yes, peeps, I put up some pumpkin. We're in my comb. So anyway, peeps, you can stay. You done? Then come back. See, peeps. So now it's time to clean up the conch now. And peeps, apparently, the man will sell the conch. Never mean to let somebody buy it for me. And not clean up it. So now I try to take time to clean up the peeps. Because when clean up it now, what it does? Ready to cook it right away. So I take time to clean up it. This was supposed to be already cleaned up. And it take more time to clean up and things. So when I buy it, it's supposed to clean up. So I guess so that's why. Because I pay like $40, say, on whole, roughly about 5 pounds, what you think. And I'm already dearer than that, so I guess that's why I never clean up it. Didn't clean it up. So now we have to take time to clean up it. Yeah. Come to something take time to deal with and to clean up it. So I normally buy it to clean up. But it's very nutritious, peeps. And nutritional benefits from it. Yeah. Whole heap. So when I slice up this up, I'm going to go beat up it. Something you have to beat up, peeps. Yeah. Some kind of slice it, very easy to deal with. Beat up. So, I'm not people that eat it, but yeah, they got Data and Alvin, and they let me start eat it. Miss Casey and say, yeah, I soup, we can start eating now. Soup? Yeah, I think I'll drink the soup first. And then, in 2019, I drink the soup at Portmore. And you go down and go to Portmore and drink the soup at Portmore. In June, they buy soup, yeah. And try and I say, yeah, taste actually tastes good. And you know me as a man big on health, so I'm just say, you good for me? I say, yeah. your mass up, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna start deal with it wicked peeps. Yeah. Let's start deal with it. Yeah. That's something rich peeps. And this is a fresh one. This is not like supermarket one. I don't know what that comes from. It is farm raised. And farm raised is a wild caught out in the ocean. Because you know my style. I like local. Yeah, I know farm raised sitting. Not my thing. So anyway peeps, you can stay. I'm gonna beat up it, then I'm gonna back. I'm done clean up it. So yes peeps. So I'm gonna get ready to beat out it now. We have to beat up the conch. So this is something I get at the supermarket. I don't remember the name of it. So it's something like this, but it's not a hammer, I forgot the right name. If anybody remember the name, tell me in the comment section. What's the name of this again? I don't remember. I'm gonna use to beat the conch. Yes, I beat it out with it. So that makes it softer. So what I do, I like slice it. So yeah, cause some part I thick, so it's easier to beat up. That's how I do it. You know, I always try to find short away, but not long so. Yes, Steve, so now I'm almost done. So I'm gonna read the whole heap. Yeah. So I thick this, then I thick here, so just put some slice in it. Easier. And then even I use some boiled soup. Soup of rich peeps, because I use coconut milk and meringue. Quick and fast. And we're done, peeps. Done, peeps. Done. Quick and fast. This is so now peeps, what I do now. Still all like cut up here. Oh yeah. Because when you cook now and it's so big. Yeah. It's not that long to cook. One of my frozen one of them, bring from God knows where. That take long to cook. Let me cook none of that cook quick. I cook it all the time, so I know. Yeah. That's the tips. In the kitchen, I move it on fast. Quick and fast, tips, no itching. At the same time, watch your finger then. Because after you cut yourself, you cannot uncut your finger again. If you happen to cut your finger, you just cut your finger. And that's it, nothing you can do about it. And true pigs, it has a very high smell. Don't know, I'm not going to use no vinegar. I'm going to use my real lime. Rich lime juice and I use my rich lime juice on the place. Wash it again. Now, some people say you can scar it, but I'm not going to scar it. So, because I believe that putting it into boiled water, you already are boiling out the strength, the nutrients, so you forget. So I believe in one cooking. So if you need to scar it, you literally get rid of the nutrients, so I think you should have it already. Yeah. So, I'm going to season it right now. Season it up now. Stick on steel. This piece of curry. There you know the specialty already. The Grace pumpkin noodle. Yes, so Grace spoon soft and so I'll tag Grace tonight, you know. But after this now, I'm going to use it all of it. You need no other season for that. Yeah. Use no other season. And this now, pepper. So one here pepper in it, as I tell you now. You see when I cook fish, I'm going to say fish in half. I use a little bit too much. So that's good. Sometimes I use a little bit. I use too much. And this is Eastern Jamaican Scotch bonnet jerk season. And this is just a product of Jamaica. Yeah. So, by Jamaica. But we have a problem now, peeps. You see, I still curry. I don't like curry from my hand. So I'm going to throw a little bit of curry in it. And then I burn some of the curry. Because when I cook with curry, you're supposed to burn curry. So when I burn the curry not cook properly, it will give you diarrhea. Yeah. So now, I use a spoon. Because I don't like curry from my hand, peeps. I don't like curry from my hand. So, season like so. So, that season this one smell good already. So, I'm going to leave it right away, please. No itching. Put a little bit of seasoning on this. So this I'll cook on it after it cook down. I need to go and cook on it. See already. See some of this. Look on this. There's this. Quick and fast. Then come. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So we now about fish. I'll go see fly. I'll go see what peeps fly. So stick and stay peeps. Let me start out this. So yes peeps. Put on the pot to come. So now just use a little pot here. Quick and fast. Yes. Not too much oil. Just a little bit of oil in it. You should go with oil going hot. So come over here, so peeps. Yeah, the curry conch there. Mad. Smell good already. So I'm gonna eat some already. I'm not gonna get peeps. I'm gonna eat some already and get peeps. Yeah, breeze now blow too hard and door. Peeps belly feel away, hungry. Woo. I am hungered. Not hungry, no hungered. I'm going to get the oil up. It doesn't have to take long for that. And then I tip a little bit of curry in it and stir it up. Yeah, stir it up. Like Bob said. Stir it up, you know. Stir it up. Hurry it up. Curry it up. Yeah. Now we come too near the fire. Yes, I use the phone instead of dropping the fire. That's nothing to say. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on. Can I get that take too long, please? I'm hungry. See how far it's gone. Holy smoke. I must have watered up on a spoon, please. Look like you already know. Yeah. So I'm gonna dash the curry in here. Yeah, I guess that's enough curry. That's enough curry. Yeah. See, it's not gonna like it curry. See? You don't want the curry to burn either. I'm telling you so a little bit. See it? How it look? You don't want it to burn either. Oh, it's stove off. Hot tips. Hot, hot, hot. Curry almost burn up. Too hot. So now, put in now, quick and fast, please. Yes, Mr. Brown. Quick and fast. That is it. Think that chatting. Think that chatting. That is it, chips. Anytime I cook, that's the time I remember I need a long fork or a long spoon. Which is minister and not Cayman food. So I'm trying to get in a Jamaica. You see? As I say, you have to make sure so your curry burn or it will give you diarrhea. So I'm going to eat curry for everybody. And something to play with. So I catch a little bit of water and I pack no clips. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put in there now. Just a little bit, please. Alright. That is it. Turn up the stove. Make that go on. Double down. I'm not even like you curry to the stove. I give me more trouble to clean off. I'm not curry. So now, cover that tips. And now what I'm going to do, I put on the rice down. So now, put the rice cooker right there. Because I cook rice, white rice, I cook in the rice cooker. Full of a pot of water, make it go and cook by itself. Meanwhile, this one simmer down. So stick and stay, peeps. I'm going to stick on. Can I talk with the zoom in on my face? Oh, right, stick and stay. I'm going to. Yes, peeps. Here me have rice cooker. And cook down some basmati rice. And over here, so it come cook down. Yeah. So now, yeah, now I'm gonna throw season it. I throw the seasoning, pumpkin on. There's a seasoning too. Take one fast again. That is it, peeps. Yeah. One cook down now. Look at that. Bring in here and I can show you one like that, peeps. This other one. No. This no gonna right now I want some more water in it because it's very thick. I have to add some water in it, please. See water, yeah? Very thick leaf, so yeah. This is it, you see? So come up and give me all fries, please. No. It's no. Yeah. I'm gonna say that. Put a little bit more. That is it. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Yeah. Need a couple minutes. Yes. So stick and stay. No going away. I'm gonna link on the back. I'm supposed to almost get ready for eat. Even the rice is going still. Anyway, stick and stay. I'm gonna I'm follow them out the door. Yeah, these are my chickens. These are my dongo fowls. Hey, chick. Yeah. My neighbor not gonna embed it. Can't believe my neighbor not gonna embed it. And it's almost 7 o'clock. My neighbor there over there. Not gonna embed it. Yes. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps. Check my rice now. My rice cook. No, rice not cook yet. The rice cook is supposed to fly. I guess the rice not cook it. We'll look on the rice. That's the basmati rice. Okay. And over here, I say I have my conch. I simmer down. See that peeps? You see that? It's drop on your toe, you have a lick off in the belly, man.
What we have to say?
Yeah, man, if you eat this, man, you drop on your toe, man, a lick off, you bend down. Even if you can't touch your toe, you bend down and lick off your toe. Yeah, man. See? Eat lick them out there 5 more minutes. I'm ready to go.
Look rich though.
Yeah, man, you're rich, man. See your peeps? The rice ready now. See it fly. Yeah. The rice ready like pretty peeps. And cook, I don't cook it. You know, say I have knife, man. Yes, peeps. The stick and stay. Soon take off the come. Peeps. Now it's time to eat.
Yo, who can do it? I'm here right now. I want to do it.
It's like Imran things.
Yeah?
Imran things.
Yeah, then I think
Thing is, when I eat a lunch and I eat all the food and I come in and get fat. Eat for health, not belly full. Oh, that's it. When I see everything on go on. Oh yeah, when I see everything on go on. Oh, what's that go on?
that's now catch. That catch right there. I see them before. I think they're not with them still.
Oh, so for original paper, let me take that.
Where? That's what let me see.
A long time now.
$49, let me see it for $49.99.
That's 25 on the paper. 25 or 28 roughly less. Yeah, and it's served.
Everything gone up in that.
I'm not spending time on big in there. I'm big when you buy a big much of film one.
Remember what?
Yeah, film one mash up.
I didn't know. Them pressure, they don't put all the thing make it burn up all.
I don't know for you, you know.
I buy one weekend, buy one.
These are the cook rice, man.
Huh?
These are to cook the rice.
Yeah.
So yes, peeps, that is it. Yeah. So my rice and come finish. Curry, conch and white rice. It's nice, peeps. This is my second meal from morning. Can you believe it? I'm cook right here. I'm cook. Peeps, that's hot. What? It's nice. Curry conch. Alright, a white rice, peeps. That is it. You know, that's another one. Yeah. So me and Big Belly Man in the kitchen. Big Belly Man have come on camera. I'm doing already.
So, I've on camera a long time.
You the on camera a long time.
I've on camera a long time.
I saw you in the kitchen. That's what they saw that to me.
I don't remember it in the
Okay. Yes. So yes, peeps, I will sit down, get a good seat, and sit down and mash up this now. So, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching and thank you for coming across every time. So big up all them subscribers. Thank you all for the overwhelming support. No love and respect. So, until next video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, whole fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time.